Hi everyone, I'm Charles Jung. This year, AABA's leaders have been hard at work revamping our entire pipeline of professional development programming. This work has been led by the AABA Pathways Task Force. I'm so proud of the work of our board members and our co-chairs who've been leading the effort. Patty Tsai is one of our Education Committee co-chairs, and she has from whole cloth created the AABA portal, which is a one-stop shop that contains the tools that AABA's co-chairs need to perform their work for AABA. Please enjoy. Thank you.
I'm Patty Tsai, and I'm a patent attorney at Weaver Austin, Villeneuve & Sampson in Oakland. I'm an AABA Education Committee co-chair, and this year I'm part of a project through the Pathways Task Force to establish a portal for AABA committee co-chairs. This portal provides a one-stop shop access for all AABA leadership, including board members and committee co-chairs, to find all the information they need to plan and execute events for AABA. The AABA Leadership Portal is available at portal.aaba-bay.com. On this website, you have access to logging into the portal, previewing the portal, and requesting access if you are unable to access the portal. On this website, once you log in, you can log in with your Gmail account, and it will enter you into the portal website. The portal website includes various modules, including the Planning and Event module at the top, an AABA calendar, the MBC calendar, a leadership directory, and MCLE resources. Each of these modules provides different types of resources for you to learn how to plan an event. In particular, in the Planning and Event module, we have event timelines, pre-event information, post-event information, example flyers, and AABA on social media. On the homepage itself, we include some updated information about how to plan AABA events. This page will be updated throughout the years with information including workshop PowerPoint slides and other programming specifically for co-chairs. In the Planning Resources section, we include information about how to plan an event. In particular, we have planning timelines, which show how early in advance certain tasks should be completed in order to plan a particular type of event based on the size of the event to be planned. For example, here we have a small events planning timeline, and below the large events planning timeline. On the pre-event planning page, we include a checklist of information to go through to ensure that planning for your event goes smoothly. This page includes information such as how to plan your event, what to look out for, what kind of other events are also being planned at the same time, and how to market your event. In particular, this year, we have a proposed events list so that you can reach out directly to other committee members for collaboration. The event list is right here. If you scroll down further, there are additional information there's additional information about how to give MCLE credit, as well as how to market your event, including tips on how to use Canva, which is a free service for forming marketing materials, including flyers and social media graphics. Once you create your marketing materials for your AABA event, you can send your event info to AABA membership and the public using these steps. The portal includes information about what information to include to the operations director, as well as how to request social media marketing, how to request marketing specifically to AABA membership, and how to submit your information to the Minority Bar Coalition calendar. The post-event planning section includes information on what to do after you have completed planning your event. This information includes what processes to complete, how to manage your budgeting, what information to send to the operations director, and importantly, how to submit your reimbursement requests. Also included in the portal are example flyers, which will be updated continuously throughout the years. This portal also includes direct links to the AABA calendar, which can be helpful in determining which dates to plan your event. Importantly, the portal also includes information to the MBC calendar, which is shown here, can be viewed in both the week, month, and agenda views to determine if there is a conflict with a particularly significant Bar Association event in the Bay Area. The leadership directory is also an important place to find information on how to contact key contacts in AABA leadership, affiliate bar leadership, and law student leadership in the Bay Area. Lastly, we include a section on MCLE resources if you are planning on offering MCLE credit for your AABA event. MCLE resources is a place for you to find information on how to offer MCLE credit for your event. This includes information on what information to provide to the Education Committee, as well as how to determine whether your MCLE event would be eligible for MCLE credit, and how to determine speaker MCLE credit. One additional feature that will be added to the AABA Leadership Portal is a speaker directory. This directory will be made available in the pre-event planning page and will have access to lists of individuals who are interested in being speakers for potential AABA events in the future. We hope you enjoyed this brief tutorial, and thank you for tuning in.